To je bila enkratna izkušnja in vesela sem, da sem se prijavila na kako program.
Videla in doživela sem marsikaj, spoznala sem veliko novih ljudi, naučila sem se marsikaj. Ni bilo samo potovanje, je bilo tudi delo, vedno zabavno in mislim, da sem odnesla veliko te izkušnje in priporočam vsakemu.
Veliko sem imela prostega časa, ki sem ga porabila za izlete v bližnjo in daljno okolico, tudi s kolesom. Zraven pa sem se naučila še veliko španščine, saj sem poleg vsakdanje komunikacije obiskovala tudi tečaj.
Prostovoljno delo v tujini je bila zame čudovita izkušnja. Spoznala sem veliko lepih krajev, novih ljudi ter predvsem samo sebe.
Najbolj pa so me prepričali ljudje, s katerimi sem se povezala. Zato menim, da je beseda connect upravičena v imenu programa. Popotniki, katere sem srečala, so pripovedovali zgodbe, sedaj pa mi je HiConnect program omogočil, da jaz pripovedujem svojo zgodbo. Tako sem vsem povedala za program in vsi so bili navdušeni in so me spraševali, kje se lahko prijavijo.
And it was truly very empowering, amazing experience because I got to meet very special team, internationals, and I got to practice my Spanish and enjoy some beach and Spanish tapas. Even though it was volunteering, I was happy enough to be given free accommodation and free food, and especially the knowledge of how to interact and just be a part of, I don't know, unique setting of my generation and how everybody brings different values, different lifestyles into one place. So in that 1 month, I learned more than I would in in 6 months back home, let's say. So I would definitely recommend it.
Writing my both HI Connects, my first one was in Iceland. I have learned and seen many different approaches for working in hostels. And from each approach I always like to take the best out of it and then try to implement it in the hostel back home.
Tam sicer nisem delala stvari, za katere sem pričakovala, da jih bom, ampak je celotna izkušnja bila pripravljena z spoznavanjem novih ljudi, s poznavanjem surfanja, učenje surfanja in pa spoznavanjem z španskim jezikom.
So, I took part in the HI Connect program twice. The first time it was in New York and one of the biggest HI hostels in the world. It was really a unique experience. We got to meet a lot of people who work there and discover the city in a completely different way. And then the second time it was in San Francisco. It was actually my first time in San Francisco, and we stayed in 3 different hostels there. So we helped around and we were involved in Christmas decorations. So it was really fun, and again, so many new people and just an amazing experience. So thank you.